Hey guys, and today this is a shorty of mine. It's a very short video, but in today's video, this chair is old over 100 years, and I'm going to be fixing it and painting it. This is so boring, and I need to, this little guy, I need to get him all the way here. Look how slow this is. This is very difficult because it's metal, so it goes much more slower. So you already know what's about happening. New one inserted. We need a bigger one just because the other one was too small, because as you can see, this right here is this big in diameter, so we need like something like that. It looks the same, so we better hope that it's good. Not the right side. Okay. There we go. Figure it out. So here. It's going so much faster now that I've learned how to do it. So now it's going much more faster. So the first layer, we need to make it all silver. And when it's all silver, then when it's dry, we will color it in red. It has to be silver so the red sticks. Actually, as you can see, we tried red here, but it's not really good, so that's why we need to paint it first silver, like metal, but it will all be gone soon. So don't worry, and I'm gonna color it purple like Thanos, the blueberry. Hello. If you guess how am I gonna paint it, you're one of my fans, definitely. Also, it's all done with the silver, so now it looks perfect. We are halfway done, and I had an idea in mind, because you know my intro, there's like green cubes around my name, so I'm gonna make a green, I don't know, like a Z here, and I'm gonna make like green squares around it and around every single place, but most of it's gonna be black, so it's like gonna be like my intro, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be cool. It's gonna look like my intro. These are like the cubes that are in my intro, so I'm gonna make like some of these cubes, and I hope it will look good. So if you're wondering, why the lamp, because there's going to be a little bit of a party sooner or later. I am finally done. As you can see, it is very nice. I think it's really nice. It's over 100 years old, and yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Flash Shorty. Please like and subscribe, and if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe as well, and turn off those notifications. This was like a half shorty, half video. I'm gonna be posting more shorties, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.